There you go. Come on. Don't run into the bushes. Come on, this way. I'm going to leave you. Come on. Come on, let's go. There you go. Come on. Mind you, he won't step on the gas. He would rather scoot it. Come on. Come on. Dave, don't get the rocks. Come on. Why do you have to get the rocks? Say hi. Say hi. You say hi? Well, come on, I'm leaving you. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Huh? Don't run into the car. Stop. He's trying to run into somebody's car.